It's a bad man thing, I hear. Oh Lord of His mercy. Hey, He's bad.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Lee. So if you're new to this channel, welcome. I'm happy you're here. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. So into this video, I'm gonna be doing a review on this unit that I'm wearing. And this is the Mayde Beauty Curly Fro and the color 1B. And I got this from Elevate Style for $19, $19.99. And let me tell you, I love it. I love it. And I had to re-record this video because when I put my glasses on, I was like, no, sis, like, When I first put it on, I think I would insert a clip of when I first put it on, and I was like, I don't know. But with the glasses and everything, I love it. This strand is just like in my way. Where's my good scissors? Okay, but see, it is not trying to let me be great. But for $19, you can like look at this. Like, I don't know what else can I say about this. Nothing. I love it. From like the color, the curls, it's just, what do you guys think? Am I just like, is it all in my head? Like, I'm gonna do a 360 so you can see. How does the back looks like us? I don't know what it looks like back there. I hope it doesn't look like a bird nest. Okay, I was feeling myself right there, but oh my gosh, like, okay, let me stop because I can literally just ramble on about this hair. I like it. I really like it. I hope you guys like it too. For the price, you cannot go wrong. So if you're new to this channel, please don't be shy. Join the family, join the Crownz family, and subscribe and hit the bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a video. Do you want to miss any other cute unit that I upload? No, I don't think you do. So until next time, bye.
It's a bad man thing.